What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by. My name's Jim. I'm a crypto trader and a forex trader, here to help you understand the market from an Elliott Wave perspective. Glad you stopped by with me. I am an Elliott Wave trader, so that means I look at wave structure to see where price might be headed. I use that along with other tools, particularly the RSI and a moving average on the RSI as well. Those are my main tools. Everything you see on the screen is mainly what I use for the analysis in TA. Not a big moving average guy or that, but there are plenty of those out there you can watch. But what I'm going to do on this channel is just show you what I'm seeing in the wave structure, give you an idea of where I think price is going based on that, and then we'll go from there. So guys, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share all the love in the comments if you like the channel. Just let me know. I really appreciate that. It encourages me to get the more and more videos out to you. Sorry I missed Tuesday's video. Tuesday, I'm working hard, guys, to get a schedule. I've just been really focused on the Discord. I give a lot of time and attention to my Discord, and they're the first priority. I'm really working to get more YouTube videos out throughout the week, so bear with me as I work my way into a schedule. But that being said, I am full-time now. I'm a full-time trader. I do this for a living now, so it's pretty awesome. I'm really enjoying it, and really enjoying all the teaching that I'm doing through the Discord. If you'd like to be a part of that teaching, you don't know what you're doing trading, you're a newbie, you need some help, guys, my Discord is really inclined for new traders. We start from the very beginning. You don't have to know anything, and we'll get you going. So anyway, if you want to be a part of that, we'd love to have you. With that said, let's jump into the market. We're going to look at Bitcoin today and see where it's going, guys. I'm seeing the moon, possibly a possible moon up to 80K, but always want to be in tune with the potential market makers and whales out there who could force the market to the downside. So let's watch out for dead cat bounces and things of that nature. So let's look at the market, see where it might be headed, and we'll look at Ethereum as well. Ethereum, I've been trading Ethereum, so we'll look at that and see where it's heading as well. All right, don't forget, not financial advice, just my take on the market, and if it helps you look at it, great. Any trade setup that I offer here, guys, don't trade it blindly. Please have risk management and good psychology to trade along with it. Please have a setup for entry that puts you at low risk to the market. Okay? All right, let's look at Bitcoin. Well, we're operating on the idea here on the 4-hour chart here that Bitcoin has finished a 3-wave move, that this is a corrective wave, and that's a corrective structure that is complete. It's finished. When we measure that guy, it measures correctly, and it measures perfectly the way we expect it to measure, down here to the 1-to-1 extension just below it. So it's really good looking wave to be done. Okay, so after that wave is finished, we look for a reversal off of that, look for 5 waves. So do we get 5 waves out of that? We sure do. We got basically a 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the 5th wave right there. Now here's the big question mark for us, for me, as I look at this wave. Number one, we could be finished with a 3-wave move to the downside. Okay, we could be done. So basically, after that 5 waves, we're looking for an ABC down. That could be finished, and we could be possibly heading up to the upside. Now, with today's move and the way it moved today, I'm inclined to say maybe not, guys. Maybe not. We might be getting. I said this morning in the Discord live that this probably wasn't a B wave, but it totally could be a B wave. Looking at it a little bit more carefully, it could be. We never did make my target that I was expected to make. We're looking for a target here, down here at the bottom area of this wave right here. I was looking for this wave to get. We didn't quite make it, and so I'm wondering if we are getting ready to go down and hit that sucker. So we got an A, we got a B, and now we're looking for a C wave down here at the 127 extension, maybe, to get us down here at this location down there. So that's a possibility. So we got 2 possibilities on the table, the best I can see for Bitcoin. Either we get a larger ABC correction down to here, and after that, guys, then moon. Okay, when moon, then moon. Okay, so after we get back down to about 51K, 50K, in that range, 52 to 50K, in that ballpark, retest this zone, retest the bottom here. Allow the whales to accumulate, and then we're going to have maybe a $30,000 push up to about 80K, which is what I would expect. And this would be a 1 and a 2, and we'd be looking for a very large 3rd wave to follow. Okay, that's the way I'm looking at this wave. That's what I would like to see. So that's one possibility. The second possibility I can see, basically, guys, I'm bullish, just so you know, is that ABC is already finished. Okay, so we got 5 completed waves right there. And then now we got an ABC that is already finished. Now what we're getting is a 1 and a 2 wave of the next wave. In other words, we're heading up. So I don't know, guys. I don't know which one it is. What's the RSI saying? Well, the RSI is kind of in no man's land right now. Plenty of room on the 1 hour chart for this thing to work its way down. So I'm kind of along the idea that maybe we can work our way down here. This can kind of start working its way down to our target zone, down below these waves, and then go up from there. That's what the RSI on the 1 hour is telling me. The 4 hour, again, you see what I just drew there. If I take it away, you can see that the 4 hour is not finished. It could totally just come on down to the downside, create hidden bullish divergence like we like to see, and I could totally see that scenario. So I still like this downward target. I didn't like it this morning, but basically after today's move and the way today moved, it's really changed my mind to the I'm thinking maybe we come down first, break this low, and then come up. And that's the fractal of the wave that I've been looking at. Here, let me show you the wave that I've been looking at as a fractal. We had this wave here is compared to this wave there. Okay, when you compare those waves, well, the wave that came off of that right there, we had a candy cane over and a spike to the high that broke that top, and then it came down in three waves and broke that low. Okay, so with that said, let's take a peek at this wave. Basically, I know I got a lot of crap on a lot of stuff on the chart there. Let's take that off. There we go. So this basically, we got a candy cane over, spike to the high, took out that high. Now we haven't come and taken out this low yet, so I'm thinking maybe we come down in one more wave and we break that low, and then we're on our way. So that is a very, very good likelihood, a good chance that that's actually going to happen. So I may be looking for a down wave back down to about 50K to 52K to break this low, and then we're looking to go long, guys, for anywhere from retest of the high 65K up all the way to 80K. So that's the way I'm looking at Bitcoin. Let's take a peek at Ethereum as well. Let's see, Ethereum has just been on a tear. Oh, man, and the correlation between Ethereum has been super hard. So let's just take a peek here. Obviously, that didn't quite play out there as I was expecting. So let's take a peek here at what we got going on. Lots of stuff on this chart. Let me see, I'll pull it off here. All right, so on the 4 hour chart here, guys, we do have bearish divergence working on the 4 hour chart. Boom, right there. Boom, right there. This does have room to come on down, okay? This does have room to kind of come down as a correct. I need a kind of a corrective fourth wave, and I don't think it's finished. We may be getting it right now. In fact, we may be getting a fourth wave. Let me go down to the 2 hour time frame, get a little bit more on it like this. Something like this. Basically, we got the first one, the second one, and now we need the third wave there. So a little bit of downside to come, and then we're heading up. Once this finishes, we're going to go to parabolic and finish up this wave that Ethereum has been making. So that's a possibility, guys. This thing could come and retest even some deeper levels here. So I'm not sure if that is going to happen, but I think it's a high likelihood, or it's a probability that we do get a correction. This thing has just been on a tear. It's due for a deeper correction. I think we've already started it. Got a three wave to the upside, and now another wave to the downside. I think that's what we're looking for before we go moon. So when moon, after a deeper wave. So that's looking at BTC and Ethereum. Both are kind of calling for maybe a down wave. So that's what I'm thinking right now. Guys, I've been back and forth as I get more data. That's what I give my Discord. We get up-to-date information in the Discord all the time. And so basically, if my mind changes throughout the day, or if new data comes in, gives me a better view, we certainly share that here. So that's what the Discord's for. We invite you into that if you're not part of it. We are at the beginning of the month. Great time to join, guys, and you won't find a guy more dedicated to just being a great place, making the Discord a great place with lots of learning, lots of knowledge, and lots of happy people in the Discord. It's not for everybody. I can tell you that. If you don't want to learn how to trade, don't come into the Discord. It's a place to learn how to trade, to become a self-sufficient trader. It's not a signals group. There is no signals group that's going to work for you, guys. There is no magic group where some guy says buy now and sell later, whatever, and gives you a perfect signals. That's not the way trading works. And if that's your mindset about the way trading works, then you really need to alter it. You may not be a trader, but for trading, we just look to take money out of the market consistently every day. And the last week and a half, I've been trading a small account just for discipline and my own psychology. I've been working on a psychological thing that I've been dealing with, taking profit. A lot of times I'll get in a trade and I don't take profit when I should be taking profit. And so basically I've been disciplining myself to take profit. Guys, I have multiplied my account 6 times over. So what I started with, which is a very small amount, I have made 6 times over in the last week and a half, just trading consistently. And so if I can do that with a small amount, I can do that with a large amount. My goal is to take the $100 that I actually started trading with and trade it up to 23K within a 40-day period, or maybe it may not be 40 days exactly. I'm actually ahead of the game right now, but I'm on day 16 on my chart. So we'll see. I've got a spreadsheet that tells me what I need to be pulling out of each trade, and I'm just doing it consistently. And we're going to see. I'll bring the results to you at the end of that if we get close to it, if we make it. But the guys in the Discord know all about it, and it's certainly mathematically doable. We'll see if we can just be a consistent trader, and that's the key. If I'm consistent and I stick with my strategy and I take profit when I need to take profit, and I do it 40 times in a row, I will have turned $100 into $23,000 in the space of about 2 months. Pretty cool. Well, we're going to give it a go. So if you want to learn about that as well, I can teach you that strategy. That's all part of the Discord if you want to come in. Okay. All right. So that's what I'm looking at, guys. In Ethereum, looking at basically a move maybe like that, and then more upside after that, going to hit the 4,000 region. Whereas Bitcoin, looking for yeah, that's a lot, but I'm looking for a down move here first, most likely, and then up. Okay, down to finish this correction, and then moon. So hopefully that's going to play out that way. I don't know, but at the end of the day, my targets are up here, guys. Whether we go up now or we come down first and then we go up, my targets are up here. So we're looking for longs right now. We're looking for longs, but we're probably over the next day or two, next several days, we're going to be looking short. Before we look for that long setup. So maybe next week, maybe towards the end of the weekend or something like that, we'll start pumping up. Guys, hope that video was helpful to you. Thanks again. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Do all that stuff that YouTube loves to push the algorithms. Guys, I'm close to 8,000 subs, so you guys can help the channel out by liking it and sharing comments and sharing the love in the comments. I really appreciate that. Guys, it's been a long journey for me. I've been working really, really hard to become a full-time trader, and guys, I'm kind of a YouTuber now, which is kind of weird. What do you do for a living? I'm a YouTuber, and I trading educator. I teach people how to trade. That's what I love to do. That's what I'm doing with my time these days. I don't have to. I could just trade for a living, I suppose, but I'd rather teach you guys what I know and share that love. And if you want to be a part of that, again, part of the Discord or just part of the YouTube family, that's fantastic. I love to get to know people like that. With that said, guys, I'm going to try to bring a video tomorrow as well. We'll see what's going on since I didn't bring one on Tuesday. With that said, you guys have a fantastic day. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Hope that was helpful to you. Let me know in the comments if it was. Until then, talk to you later. Bye-bye.